We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive expert overview of the DUALIE 3-in-1 Insulated Can Cooler by Go Sports Outdoors. This product promises to fit 3 common beverage container sizes in one cooler: standard 12-ounce cans, slim tall cans, and 12-ounce bottles. Its unique selling point is a patent-pending cap swap system that allows users to switch between different sized lids quickly, with the alternate lid conveniently stored on the opposite end of the cooler. This design eliminates the need for multiple coolers or removable inner sleeves, which are common in competing products. The DUALIE measures 3.1 inches in width and 5.5 inches in height, fitting most cup holders, and is made from durable 304 stainless steel with a powder-coated finish to resist chips and cracks. It is also dishwasher safe and BPA-free, enhancing its practicality and safety for everyday use. Users appreciate the DUALIE's ability to keep beverages ice cold for extended periods thanks to its dual-walled vacuum insulation. This technology also prevents sweating on the exterior, keeping hands dry and protecting surfaces from water stains. Many reviewers note that it performs better than other brands they have tried, including popular names like Yeti and Stanley. The cooler's versatility is highly praised, especially the ease of switching lids without losing parts, which is a common inconvenience in similar products. The fact that the alternate lid screws onto the bottom of the cooler means it is always attached and ready to use, a detail that many users find innovative and convenient. The product comes in over 15 colors, allowing users to choose according to their preference or to gift to others. Reviewers also highlight the cooler's weight at the base, which provides stability and prevents tipping over in windy conditions. The DUALIE is noted to be durable and well-made, with a smooth finish and a solid locking lid. While some users have not yet tested the longevity of the lids or the exterior finish under heavy use, initial impressions are positive. One reviewer with extensive experience owning over 30 insulated cups and koozies compares the DUALIE favorably to the Frostbuddy 3-in-1, a similar product that uses a removable inner sleeve. The DUALIE's cap swap system is seen as a major improvement, eliminating the need to carry extra parts. This reviewer also appreciates that the product is made in America, supporting local jobs, and is priced under $15, making it an affordable alternative to competitors that cost significantly more. Some users mention minor challenges, such as a slight struggle to fit standard-sized cans compared to slim cans, and the lids not fitting plastic water bottles perfectly. However, even in these cases, the cooler still helps keep drinks colder than having no insulation at all. The product is also praised for being easy to clean, either by hand or in a dishwasher, which adds to its convenience. Overall, the DUALIE 3-in-1 Insulated Can Cooler stands out for its versatility, innovative design, effective insulation, and affordability. It suits a variety of beverage types and sizes, making it ideal for people who switch between different drinks throughout the day. Its durability and practical features like the cap swap system and stable base make it a reliable choice for outdoor activities, work, or casual use. The positive customer feedback and high ratings reflect a strong user satisfaction with this product. We encourage viewers who own the DUALIE to leave their own reviews in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested in purchasing this versatile can cooler.